Hi guys, it's Melanie again. I'm just doing a quick Bird of Paradise makeup tutorial with eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. Sorry if you can't really see it because of the lighting, but maybe if I move the phone closer, you'll be able to see it. There we go. Got like a gold and then green. If I move out in the light, ignore that. I can't. Oh, this doesn't want to angle right. And you get to see the mess of my living room. The reason my hair is like this is to try to keep it out of my way when I'm doing this look. Because my hair tends to go right here and it's kind of annoying. But I'm going to do my best to show this to you. The lighting is like completely natural. I'm right by the window using the window light. There's really nowhere else in the house that I can go to do this. And these colors are rather light. They are buildable, but they are extraordinarily light. Like, even just looking in the mirror, I can't really see them, but they are buildable. They're from the Ulta Carnival collection. They even explain to you on the top of how to do it if you don't have the colors or don't want to go and buy the kit. I am using... Oh, these are not showing up well. Oh, here we go in the shade. I'm using Honeybee Silk and Green Machine. And the brushes I shall be using today will be my Defining Eye Brush, my e.l.f. Contour Brush, and my e.l.f. Shadow Brush. Eyeshadow brush. Which, if you notice the fall, that was my phone fell. And I keep getting all these freaking text messages. Can you stop that? My kitty's misbehaving today. I already tell this tutorial won't go well. Alright, well, I'll at least explain to you the colors and you can watch me put them on. And what are you doing? What are you doing? Why did you just climb up? And you fell. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to get in the window. You're not allowed in the window no more. He ended up ripping a giant hole in the screen that we had to replace, so he's not allowed in the window no more. And he's becoming frustrated. He can go in there when the windows are shut, but not when they're open. And they're open right now. So I don't want the AC on. So I'm just taking my eyeshadow brush, taking my Honeybee Yellow, but you can use any yellow you want if you don't have this palette. Basically, you'll need a very light color, like almost a whitish color, a yellow and a green, which I just realized I forgot, so I'm just